Hello everybody, it's me again. I'm sorry the last days I was very sick and I couldn't make my videos, and I'm very sorry about that, but I feel better now. It's still a bit and I'm tired all the time, but it's getting better, so I am energetic enough to make my advent calendar because there are not many days left. So we've got the 19 and the 20 today, but I will open the Merry Mischief first. I thought about the Merry Mischief calendar, and I think the jigsaws are quite cute in there, but what I thought, I might get another glue and ribbon in the 24 and 23, but we will see that. So let's open the 19, and here we have something brown. There's something brown with candy cane and I don't know what it is. Could be anything. Or maybe a pig or a horse. No, I don't know. So it's a wild mix. Yeah, unfortunately the last days I just lay in bed. I watched Wednesday. I liked it. And have you seen Wednesday? Oh, this could be another bird or something. And that's why I haven't done any jigsaws, and I've got my nice wooden jigsaw here and I want to finish it because it's very fun and all this, and I want to release it before Christmas, but I hope I will get that because today is our little Christmas party from work, and maybe tomorrow we will see. So let's open the 19. I watched, how is it called in English? The Wonder from the 34th Street or something. In German it's called Das Wunder von Manhattan, so The Wonder of Manhattan. It's the story with the little girl that played Matilda too, and Kris Kringle and all this. Since it takes place in New York, I saw the Rockefeller Plaza, and I saw the angels and I recognized them, so I'm pretty sure the jigsaw here is the Rockefeller Plaza. But I like the angle because normally you've got the big tree front and center and a bit around, but you will see. I'm pretty confident that's the Rockefeller Center. So another mamba for me, and yeah, buildings in the number 19, so I will separate them from the number 20. Oops, because I will do them separately. So there are a lot of ways I can do the jigsaw. I mean, I could try to attach it directly, but I think it's nicer if I do bit for bit and then connect it to the big picture. So now we've got number 20, and let's see what we have here. Yeah, I'm a bit sad that the calendar is nearly done because, I think I'm lucky. You know what? This could be a chocolate toffee. You know, I love my chocolate toffees. Yeah, it's a chocolate toffee. So I'll have this when I do the jigsaws. Here, oh, Jesus, okay. Got everything. So there is a bit green in here, so maybe this could be the start of the tree or something. Okay, so I've got the two Merry Mischief, I've got my two little piles, and let's do the jigsaws. Before I do the Merry Mischief, I want to show you, because that's my last tray. So I want to show you this. I'm pretty sure this comes here. There, that goes there. And that one might, yeah, might be here, look, here, yeah, this one. So I'll put you up again, and then we can connect it, and then my tray is free for the rest to go. So let's start with that one. Yeah, we put it here. Yeah, that looks very nice. Good. So here, there must be a tree. And here we can fill this gap. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So we had the last ice skating area parts in there. Okay, so look at that. Look at that. I can show you. Oh no, I can't. Okay, so very nice. And now we'll make the other two. Okay, so I think this is a llama here. And this is eating the cookies meant for Santa and Rudolph. So, and the second one is a little bird feeder with little, are those robins? I think so. So, they're having their winter feast. Oh, look at that little guy here with the ear protection. So, okay, that's it for today. 4 to go, and then we have Christmas. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye.